YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I'm going to talk about this, the new key fob for the Mk5 Supra and how to replace the battery. All right, so to replace the battery, we're gonna start by taking off this little outer protective case. So I've got a little elastic portion right here. I'm just gonna slide over to the side and grab and pull. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to remove the mechanical key. So there's a button on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and push in this button and that will release the mechanical key. All right, I'm gonna set that aside. Using my pocket screwdriver, you can see there's a little tab right here. I'm gonna take my pocket screwdriver and gently pry up on that tab, and then I'll be able to lift up and pull forward on this little part. And then you'll see inside we have a 2032 battery. And you're just gonna remove and replace, and installation is the reverse of removal. Now, if you're anything like me, you may have wondered to yourself, what the heck is this mechanical key portion even good for? Right? Because like, it seems like it doesn't go anywhere. Except for like maybe the glove box lock. But that's not exactly true, because on the driver's side door handle, there's a little plastic cover, and when popped off, hidden beneath it, is a lock cylinder for this little guy, a mechanical lock cylinder. So in the case of a dead battery, you just pop that off and insert this guy and be able to open up your door, open up your hood, and jump the battery. That being said though, like, don't go running out to your Mk5 Supra and like pop off that little cap, because I've heard that once you pop it off, you've kind of broken it and it's really hard to get it back on. So that's like in case of emergencies only, people. So, and I actually haven't even tested this for myself. I just heard this from a very knowledgeable friend who happens to work in the dealership. So thank you, Aaron, for your help and information provided so that I can make this video. Now, when the battery starts to die in these things, you're gonna notice the same sort of symptoms in any other like key fob remote start sort of system, and that's that your range is gonna decrease. Now, if the battery dies in this thing completely, there's still a way to start the car, and that is by holding this little guy right up to where the ignition cylinder like should be on the right side of the column, and then you can start the vehicle. All right, so yeah, that is how you replace the key battery in the Mk5 Supra key. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this informative and helpful, and if you did, awesome. Leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'll try my best to answer them. And if you like my videos, maybe consider subscribing if you have not already, and I will see you in my next video. And yes, for those who are gonna ask, I do plan on doing a full review of my new Supra. However, I take these things very, very seriously, and there's a lot to learn on the new car, people. I went from a 1998 4Runner to this thing with like all the bells and whistles, so I just really want to make sure that I learn everything, do it justice, so that I can, give y'all a really good review. So I'm working on that though, I promise. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.
So cute.